TESSA produces feasibility studies for multi-story, multi-occupancy homes in real time, providing certainty on what can be built and how much it will cost on any given plot of land. Let's see how it works. The first step is to identify our site via postcode, address, or land registry title. This will load a map view of the local area, which is our working canvas. We can then draw a site boundary on the canvas to define the area we want to develop. This is our buildable zone. TESSA immediately starts to generate optimized scheme designs in this zone. We can review these in the design options table below the canvas, and we can adjust our view of the canvas to get a better sense of the 3D massing. The generated designs are based on default briefing inputs, visible in the inspector panel on the right of the canvas. The inspector panel also gives the top-level metrics of the design option currently shown on the canvas. We can switch from street view to satellite and change the building view from abstract to architectural. Selecting the 2D allows us to preview detailed floor plans with annotations and gives a clearer indication of unit type distribution by floor. The summary metrics are still shown in the inspector panel and are included in full in drop-down tables at the top of the canvas. Design metrics, including gross and net floor areas, residential efficiency, and unit mix, can be reviewed in metric or imperial measurement, and by total scheme or for each building. The cost metrics comprise modular, fit-out, and base build costs, along with allocations for preliminaries and contingencies that we can adjust as needed. There is a full elemental breakdown of the modular component of the scheme. Finally, the sustainability metrics give the embodied carbon footprint of the superstructure, again with an elemental breakdown. Switching back to the 3D view, we will now adjust our briefing inputs. The first step is to subdivide our original building zone into a number of smaller zones, each with different rules. Marking a zone as exclusion rather than buildable is useful to define access routes, car parking, and other amenity spaces. We can then change the default briefing values for each buildable zone. Here, we start by increasing the minimum distance between any two buildings to give greater separation. We are adding a commercial podium to buildings in this zone and increasing the residential floor count before adjusting the desired unit mix to suit our commercial ambitions. Again, TESSA generates 10 design options based on the new inputs. We can scroll through them and bookmark any that we wish to save. TESSA delivers unprecedented early-stage development certainty to public and private sector clients. To book a live demo, please get in touch.